going to make? It's a cake. We need to
Brownies.
Brownies. So, you want to get her birthday. You want to get her birthday, but he waiting for her birthday yet. And be outside. Happy friends! Hi guys, welcome to Gwen Happy Friends.
And today,
We're going to make Miu's birthday for the cake.
brownies.
Brownies for Miu. It's just like we need a birthday for brownies. Time to make brownies.
We need one
One egg.
egg,
One egg and some
butter.
butter
and some.
water
Okay.
and some bowl to mix all the ingredients to make.
Okay.
And then
Okay.
let's start cooking. Ask your parents to crack your egg. Oh, that egg's so goody. It's time to put in the bowl.
Okay.
Put in the bowl and we need to make it first before we get to in the bowl.
And 100.
Butter. Put them in the plate.
Look at
I
this.
want to see what it is. Okay? Time to get the butter out. This butter is really good. Try it. Mama, try it. Is it so yummy?
Boleh.
You can try it, Mama. Try it with your finger. Just a little bit.
Yeah. Right. Apa rasanya?
Let's mix it first.
Okay.
Now let's mix the egg.
Okay.
We need to mix egg. Mix just a little.
What?
And turn the egg yellow.
Yes. Nih, keluarkan
Apa?
air.
Water.
Ya, water.
This
5.
5. I suppose
5.
5. And 1
1,
and 2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4. That's it.
Yes.
Okay. Next.
Okay. Next, put some.
First,
First, we need to put some this boo
put.
on.
put
Put them inside. Enough?
semuanya.
Okay. Is it good, Nick?
Okay.
Let's smell.
Step 2. Step 2. Read the in.
Yeah.
Step 2 masukin apa? Masukin telur.
Telur.
Nih, masukin.
Ice.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Okay.
Let's put the egg inside.
Yuck.
Yolk.
Yuck.
I want to start myself.
Okay. Next, masukin
Masukin
ini.
butter.
Okay.
Okay.
Pakai ini.
Okay.
Next, masukin.
Masukin water.
Oke.
Just a lot.
Semuanya. Oke.
And then we
And then-
stir ingredients.
Oke. Oke.
Pour it with the spoon.
Oke, Mama bantu ya. Satu. Nah, Mama bantu ya.
Aku mau ke bawah kan.
Mama pegang ini. Ini dia lengket.
You're gooey.
Jangan aduk.
I want to smush it.
No. No bueno.
Jadi guys, we're gonna make a mountain. Mama, we get the yummy food.
Oh, yang bayangkan kayak gini.
Look at this gooey. This is gooey.
Jangan aduk.
Sorry. It's sucking me. It's good. Golden. To make a party meal. It's very important.
Video pancake-nya lah.
Okay. But then look at this goo. And then gooey with a goo. That's the chocolate. How was the chocolate feel, Mama? The chocolate feels good. Has to help you. We're making a chocolate. Gonna stir it. No one goes ingredients. And what's going on? Just doing that. This is what's morning, night, morning, night, good morning.
Oke, next kita masak
Yes.
kuenya.
masak
Kita masukkan ke.
Di sini. Wait for minutes.
Oke. Kita dulu.
Guys,
Tuh.
guys, wait minutes to get me.
Pencet.
Pencet kalau sudah.
Pencet ini. Mana gambar?
Gambar ini.
Cake this one.
Cake.
Oke, let's start.
Start it.
Oke, tunggu sampai.
Kalau dia sudah.
Oke, goodbye.
Goodbye. Yeah.
Hai.
Hi.
Kita masaknya di sini ya.
Iya.
Kita tunggu sampai dia masak. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Don't forget.
Hit to subscribe. It's in the low. Get sent when happy friends. Now. Yes. Isn't you good? Hi guys. Cake is ready. Cut it.
Okay.
I cut it myself. Take this.
Ya.
And
Sini, yang ini. No. Ini namanya brownie instan. Instan. Now let's try it.
I'm gonna try it.
Okay. Dah.
Next time. Bye bye.
Enak. Do you like it? Okay. Okay, it's time for today.
What do they?
Browniesnya enak
Enak.
lagi.